we are doing the science missions like Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, and also now India is gearing up for Gaganyaan mission, that is sending man to the space and bringing him back safely from the space to Earth. That activity also is going on over there. If you are afraid about the failure, then you have to keep in mind then you are taking the risk of failing, a long time failure in your life. That you have to keep in mind. As your director said, when you are seeing the Chandrayaan 2 failure, we are not kept quiet. Just the next day of the Chandrayaan 2 failure, we have defined Chandrayaan 3. It is not because of failure that we just kept in the corner. We defined the Chandrayaan 3 next day itself. The following day, I got approval from the Honorable PM to go ahead with the project. And Honorable PM was, in spite of, he has seen the failure, he was gracious enough to give approval, and he also encouraged the project, and that we learned what went wrong in the Chandrayaan 2